YouTube? It's your boy Elbon coming back at y'all with a banger. In today's video, we're back working on the gen. It's right here. In today's video, we're gonna be installing this wheel hub for the front passenger side. Let me show you why. So, as you can see right here, this stud broke off. Plus, this one's kind of like cross-threaded. So, we got the new wheel hub here. It's actually pretty easy to install. It's 2 bolts for the caliper, ABS sensor, brake line, rotor, just 2 screws, and then 4 bolts for the actual hub. So, let's get to it. All right, so the next thing you're gonna take off is gonna be the caliper, and there are 2 bolts at the back here, if you can see that. I recommend using a breaker bar to get them off because they are pretty tight. They're 17 mils. Hey, there we go. Perfect. All right, caliper's off. You always want to set it on something. You don't really want your brake line to be fully extended or it'll seize up. Next up, we're gonna take off the rotor, which is really simple. It should just be 2 screws. I only have 1, so we're gonna take that off. I have to hammer this stud off. Hey, there we go. There's 4 bolts here, 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 and here. Which also in the back, if you can see. Before we're gonna do that, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the ABS sensor, which is connected to the hub, which is right here. Yeah, you're just gonna pry that off. All right, we're gonna put some PB blaster on the bolts in the back and then take those off. All right, all 4 bolts are out. Let's take this hub out. All right, so the best way to get this out is to basically hammer it off because it's basically stuck together. So I'm just gonna keep hitting it. I need a little bit more room, so I'm gonna take off the dust shield just so I can move it around and then hit the hub out. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. We fuck with that. All right, dust shield and hub are separated. All right, so we got the wheel hub off, the OEM one. As you can see, this hole's hella dented up and everything. Tough. The new one, as you can see, sensor in the back. Looks solid. It's actually pretty sturdy, a whole lot sturdier than this one. This one barely, it's a lot more like rigid. Versus the OEM one, which has a whole lot more play. All right, let's throw it on.